Welcome back to my channel, guys. Very warm welcome to all. Now, let's start with some modes of evolution. Modes of evolution. Let's begin with our first mode of evolution is what? Divergent. Now, what you understand by divergent? Listen to me carefully. I am using here two terms, ancestor and descendants. Assume ancestor is what? Parents, your purvaj, ancestor guys, purvaj. Descendants, offspring, their child, new generation, like our purvaj, our ancestor, and we are their descendants. Means we have our ancestors and we are the descendants of these ancestors. Now there is ancestor and they have their descendants. Divergent means at a single point, divergence, diverge, spread, single parents, but they give rise different kinds of species, not in one day. Throughout the evolution, there is many time, many years. Means single ancestor give rise multiple descendants. So origin is same. Origin is the same. But now throughout the evolution, they goes in this direction, they go in this direction, they go in this direction, and they goes towards this another direction. So this kind of evolution we call it as a divergent, and best example of this divergent evolution is what? Homologous. Homologous. Now what you understand by homologous? The structure is same but function is different. Structure same but function different. Function different. Like, look at here, this is the example of homologous organ. Is what? Is it what? That if we take the limb of human, the limb of cheetah, the limb of whale, the limb of bat, they belongs to one category. Is what? Mammals. They all are mammals. Human is mammal, cheetah is mammal, whale is mammal, bat is mammal. But they use their limbs. They use their limbs. This is the limb structure of human, this is the limb structure of cheetah, this is the limb structure of whale fish, this is also mammal, okay. This is the limb structure of what? Bat. So their origin is same. Origin is same. They are mammals. They are mammals, and they what they have? They have radius, ulna, metacarpals, carpals. Radius, ulna, metacarpals, carpals. Radius, ulna, carpus, metacarpals. Radius, ulna, metacarpals, carpals. Same. But their function is different. They use for handling something, they use for running, they use their limb for they use their limb for swimming, they use their limb for what? Flying, swimming, running, and hanging something. Means their origin is same. They are mammal, their origin is same, their origin is same, but their function is different. They are mammals. Man is mammal, cheetah is mammal, whale is mammal, bat is mammal, but their function is different. I draw also here. Function is different. Like if I take same structure of limb of human, limb of cheetah, limb of whale, limb of what? Bat. So human use their limb for hanging something. Cheetah use for running something, their limb. Whale use their limb for swimming. Bat use for their limb for fly. That's it. And now if I talk about convergent evolution, then what they say? That they have different structure. They have different structure, but guys, function is same. Same function. This is about convergent, means there is multiple point and they fuse with single point. Convergent. Divergent means they arise from single point, and here they come out from multiple direction and they spread from single point. This is the convergent. Now example is what? Now tell me example is what, guys? Example is, guys, bird wing, bat wing, and insect wing. Guys, bird is belong from aves, bat belongs from mammals, and insect belong from arthropoda. They have different kind of feature. Their limb structure is different, their limb structure is different, their limb structure is different, because they belongs with different phylum. They belongs with aves, they belongs with mammals, they belong with arthropoda, but function is same. And function is what? Flying. Bird also fly, bat also fly, and insects also fly, but they have different structure of their wings. Now I think you are clear. Now I think you are clear. I'm writing here bird wing, bat wing, insect wing. They all have wings, but their structure is different, but function is same, like fly. Here in divergent is what? Their limb structure, all of these limb structure is same. Radius ulna, metacarpus, carpus, radius ulna, metacarpus, carpus, radius ulna, metacarpus, carpus. But their function is different. Some use for running, swimming, flying, hanging someone, hanging something. Except these convergent evolution, divergent evolution, there is many evolution. I'm gonna tell you about co-evolution. Like host, parasite, the example of co-evolution. Means there is what? There is what? If host want that, assume this host is what? Plant. If this host want that I have to be resistance from particular insect, then this parasite, this insect will, what they do? They again they grow and they infect this thing. Then this plant, what they do? They accept some new feature for protect themselves from this insect. But insect, what they will do? They again make them advanced feature and they again infect this. So if plant take advanced features, so if insect not grow according to this, so their generation is finished here. Like assume we have some antibodies, we have some antibiotic, if we infect from some virus, so look at here, according to evolution, look at here the coronavirus, what they do? They make some advanced feature, they evolve their feature. Coronavirus, they evolve their feature according to our human body. Like if human body resistant with vaccines now, so then coronavirus they will do, they modified their structure. So no, so what they do? They make advance their structure so they can infect easily again human. Like here is human, first time he infect with this coronavirus. Now what he will do? He make some vaccine and take vaccine and they resistant from this virus. Then virus, what they will do? They again make themselves advance and they again infect this thing. Like coronavirus, delta virus, S90, rubbish, SARS, COVID. So they advance their feature. If he tired that yeah, I can't do any modification in, so he will win one day. So this is a co-evolution. If one thing is grow forward, then another thing will go forward. If he not compete with this thing, he can be eliminated one day. So this is not in your course, forget this thing. Now here is some research, some case study on moth. We can say England industrialization. Oh my god, my writing is very bad. I think my pen is not running properly. Okay, England industrialization. What the hell? Before pollution, what have the tree stems are whitish in color. Like look at here, some creamy color. So white color of moth, they can easily hide their self, and hunter bird will come and eat them. So they select more that time. Before pollution, tree stems are what? Some creamish in color, whitish in color. So white color of moth, they can hide their self, they can easily hide their self. So white moth is easy, like yeah, I'm happy, and they are unhappy because birds will come and eat. Because in white stem, blackish thing is easily visualized, so predator will come and eat. But after industrialization, so pollution will arise, because there is multiple factories are situated there, then they release too much pollution. Then what have that time stem is gray and whitish in color now, but after pollution what will happen? The tree stem color convert into black and dark. Now this time, this color of moth, they can easily hide their self in black background because they have black color also. but white color of more, they are unhappy because now this time predator come and eat, because there is black prey and something is white is here, they can easily identify. So this is the example of directional evolution. There is multiple: directional, stabilization, disruptive. This is not in your syllabus, yeah, but okay, I'm gonna teach you. So what a directional evolution will say, that when you use herbicide, pesticides in your agriculture farm, now what have, first time there is some sensitive insect is here, there is some resistant insect is also present there, na there is two species is present, white in color and black in color. When we use pesticide, herbicides in our agriculture farm now, so there is some sensitive insect is also present, and there is resistance, already resistance insects are also present. When we pest, when we spread herbicide, pesticides, na, so sensitive thing will come, but they get resistance. So 100% no one can kill bacteria, they adapt themselves, they make advance their features. Okay, understand? I think this is zyada ho gaya. Okay guys, so we will meet in our next video, and I'm gonna start with adaptive radiation. This is the example, same guys, Darwin finches, like same ancestor, but they have different size of beaks. Look at here, different size of beaks, same. I'm gonna teach you in next video. That's all for now, and thank you for listening me, and keep follow my channel Adhyan with Flow. Keep smiling and revision, okay? Without revision you forget everything. Thank you so much.